Amazing Voice of Victory charegere chinsa cheko yanyora mangana maya senchira yuboikira nibuna twabirito kubwatirana n'abasaki baito bamangana maya elekwene kibuna ko yasangiritore nako yareta iga semesa ya mangana maya na buna tarachikinyara kabato komanya kuraiga Amazing Voice of Victory iga tiari tarachikinyara kabato komurekeranga mono muraibwese Dr. William Buruto batababuna aba bisaba banyanyimbo bali baberire semirimo yabasegekege tambe nigo barachikinyara kabago kiniwa ebirogo naboigo sensemende aba MCA batatu kurega se county ya Kisii nigo banyarako bakwemurungania kubwatakana n'ikigali cyabo gosaliwa cinga kibarenge asebikaro bye county assembly ritukeriga lyarero boiga bayibore nigo baburirwe kurenda abana babo anera mono asomotinyoiga uyogo kikanyara kabago kwenekia emeyega emenge toskare nchenkoro kwa Robin Siangwe. Na kwariganirie tunyara ko batoko yasanga asobwa masensamo ya kabere ye studio iyo gendeta kwena kibona marioge na bayigo chibicha mbigendete ko goikira senchira ebwanete igakorokwa Ishmael omoyo kabamo 90 goika omwelya mangana maya ko yachaka limorioka nigotoko yachaka kurega se county ya Kisii asirituko lya lero chigali cyaba MCA batatu cinga kibarenge ase egeikaro gie county assembly nigo chigali echo cyanyarako bachigosaliwa amagoro egento gwikira bonoiga bataranyarako bakomanya ingikeirera ababegwa abo gosalia chigali echo bolikoito Esbon bosire banyarako bakakubwatia oroboti urwo nabo gotwariganiria asenchira yoboikirano
Chabisi chebunge ye county ya Kisii
nalenga assembly ngote gunegari ane yabochoirwa magoro. The motive I don't know.
Emambi yerituko lya lero kigari cyaba MCA batatu abo bare Paul Mairura Thomas Obare na Boigo Nicodemus Omwamba cyanyarako bachigwatwa amagoro kinga kibagenderete amone bikaro bya butambe ase ebunge yo korende egento kerira gokorekana kekore ekyo gitaramanyikana gwikabonika.
We were in the assembly with a normal plenary session, and my peer told me that we have people who have come around 20 people who are in masks, and they have destroyed my car.
Abarai banyarako bagwikirana ase ensemi yona boigo kwenekia egekore ekyo banabwe county ya Kisii Moske Elijah Obebo no speaker bwebunge eyo Philip Nyanumba omo sub county commander Musa Imamai na boigo amona ba MCA koru ase ebunge yo banyarako bawika ensemi yona boigo kugikeria egekore ekyo.
This can take it no matter how far. Do the necessary work and
I just have confirmed that they are going to do investigation to make sure that they have found what has happened.
Your safety is secured, and at the end of the day, we'll get to the bottom line of it, and it will be for public consumption. Everybody will know what has transpired.
Korengana amona ba MCA abo kigari cyabo cyanyarako bachigwato niko banyako bagwichanira egekorikyo asikiri banyariko bagoteba no kumnyokiwa kisiasa buna injira emo yokobekwa obwaba indi batigukwana amabe ari bakonyarako bakorora asobora ibwe county ya Kisii.
I just want to call this matter ni woga. This is cowardice of the highest court, and some of us we are not scared. But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives.
What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But as for the fact that I will be calling out corruption, I will continue calling out corruption. You came into power promising heaven. You came into power saying that you are fighting corruption. But you are the architect and the sole proprietor of corruption in Kisii County. We will continue calling out that. Brief. In the past 1 or 2 weeks, we've been calling out the corruption in Kisii County Assembly, and in Kisii County at large. To the people who did this, I know and I've been informed, reliably informed, that it is a nominated MCA who was coordinating these boys. This is cowardice. I have been in this game.
They have come, they have promised to dig out and know what is the motive. The only thing I know in Kisii County, I'm elected from Chiburabu, and I've been championing for my people to get the development, which is not there. Anytime I put something on development, it's being removed, and it's being removed from executive. So if it's the executive targeting me, my God above will target them first, and I know that.
Boiko ase ensemo yende nigoba orokirie ogosemerio kwabo gochia ase chinsemo chiri chigokora obotuki kubwatikana amono gokora obotuki igoriye gekore ikyo irinde kurigiana kumanya egento kerera ekigari ekyo cyanyara ko bachigwatwa amagoro ase amagacho yebunge iyo.
Because the security agencies have been here and have made a statement, we want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive.
Ask the security agencies to act. If they don't act, we will act.
Incorporateria MSA jamangana maya koru ase ebunge ye county ya Kisii. Erietariane ni gonkuru kwa Hespon Bosire.
Naroboti rwanyara ko barokoretu asenchira ya bene nere Hesbon Bosire uyo nyara ko bakagoika asense yo kwene kibuna ko toretara roboti ro asenchira ebwanerete bwego tutugerete gase county ya Kisii niga Bible banyara ko bakuburiwa kwene kibuna kolenda bare abana babo ane mono asumutinyo iga o December chinga kemeyega emenge rachikonyara ko ba ge kwene kiwabo nenchira yemo yogokora umwako yoiga o 2025 ayo niga bwatokirwe amono senior chief korwa sense media ya Keroka Township uyu menekende buna Kennedy Ndege uyu boygo nyara kubaga kuburi abantu kwenekia omorembe aschinka na boygo chief family chiabo unenchira yemo yogwetanga korwa chisege chiegenka
olde yabeire entambe korwa abana baito basiekete chi school abange no barenka nande botambe togosaba ngayaya diga abana baito mtumna abaiboli totekite most time torakwanira abana abaito abaiboli manyo mwana oyo ngo bako bakomo nsabu kiale nere nkia koba nkia gokora lituko ligima because abaiboli bande they don't even take care baliko banyamwana oya sale abaiboli chisega ntobwate tokomanya bana mbara bale na barabo igona achiko sabanga this time tiato vigilant kabisa twara aita none isegeri abana baito twaranga ngo orese chinyombechi abana chinyaroka adolescents ngo ikere abasumbu sana and this is the right time bakominyoka tigango tobaye chigazi babe limited ntobwate domestic violence yabere so high bantu bakurwana bokia so nachiko sabanga kiti yango totware chidaro gina wa families. Otherwise, no matter assault cases in Chiro, when you fight a person and somebody can sue you, now you go to a problem. You got to tolerance between ourselves. Na ndikende keregi akorekane de savu daro to isaransa to akwana na boko nyora ya chikoba makongu aetire. Na chiko saba the moment you koromo genia menyete somewhere or obwate suspicious character, please inform us. Monomne taunima onti ko sabanga kinyogo go chakomenye town, you must be a good person. So
wanchomo lirelia kirengo korusikuru ase county ya Kisii na gokoira goika ase county area ya Nairobi ase bunge area enene nyuma ya barai kochorwa kurwas chinsemo ao chingeki chiria chobo cholyo boke bwanyara ko bogo korekana iga sense ya Kenya asitariki amerongebere na isana ibere motenyi oikominarimo omwako yega o 2025 nigo yababunge banyara ko bagotianiwa ase bunge enene egento banyara ko bakoria yogote babuna nigo barachikonyara ko bagoikerania amaganio onsi alia yaba Kenya bunenchira yemo iyo kubakorera amagendero abayigo chinga kichogotianiwa kwa babunge abo nigensemeria ya upinsani osegati ababunge kurwa sensemeria ya upinsani barorekana gutaikerana ase bunge andake kubwatikana no kugechigwa korwa sababu ngabo anemono bali aba bagochoro kura sensemeria ya Kenya Kwanza.
Member-elect from Mbeere North, Njeru Leo Wamuthende.
I wanted you to take notice that the matters that are prosecuted on the floor of the House only belong to the House. And Mr. Speaker, this afternoon, conspicuously, we are missing members of Parliament from what is being called the United Opposition. And we can see Broad-Based are here representing their people, Mr. Speaker.
Wamunyo has seen fire. He has seen fire. Fire. He has seen fire. And the fire that they have seen is just a tip on the iceberg.
Mheshimiwa Wamuthende, tunakupenda na tunakuheshimu kwa zile kura kidogo ambazo ulitushinda nazo. Kura 400, sio kura ya kujidai nayo, sio kura ya kujipigia kifua. Mheshimiwa Spika, lazima Wakenya waambiwe ukweli. Ni wakati wa kusikiza ground, ni wakati wa kutoka.
Na bagakora asasemende egati yabo wisa babanyanyimbo abo bare abakoro nigabono barachikanyara kuba bagukinigwa ebirogo bunenchira yemo yokoneki na barabo konyara bare ko babakwagenderi anene mono asensemeyo yebokoreri chinga kebagendeta kunyara kuba bagokorera omo Kenya aiga sense ya Kenya yoni ganyara ko bagakwaneki wa no muraiwense Dr. William Ruto asenyomberia yoborai State House yego toka somochie o Nairobi egentate babuna egetambo kirekyo nigo kirachikunyara koba gekoba egatia abanyanyimba abo babeire bakokorega siabo ase kakemia kemeronge 5 na 5 unenchira yemo yokoba omokya bogokora emirimo yabo boikerano.
Anti-Narcotics Unit, ile kitengo ambayo inapigana na madawa ya kulevya. Tufanye hiyo kitengo iwe a formed up unit. Tuongeze officers ambao wako katika hiyo kitengo. Saa hizi tuko na officers 160. Tumekubaliana na IG hawa officers tuwaongeze mara 3 wawe officers 500.
Kuna kakitu our chiefs wanapewa wakienda raid waende pale wasoko nini. Your Excellency, waliniambia kila mwaka imekuwa ikishuka inaendelea kushuka inaenda kushuka. Sema neno moja tu na roho yao itapona.
Na boigo aschika kieche boigo nigo muraiwense Dr. William Ruto anyara kobaga kwene kibuna nigo egatie bituo by'abanyanyimbo birachikanyara koba bikoigorwa anene mono aschinse mochiria chama shinani ne chinse mochinde unenjira yemo yo gwikiraneria abakenya bonse iga Kenya obokoreri borobuya anene mono korwa sectoria yoborende elio kwenekia kiramo Kenya konyorare oborendi boisaine korwa sensemeria are asinga kechuruto niga atebabuna nigo serikali yaye erachikanyara koboke kwenekia asegeka kiemia kebere korubono goika omwaka uria o 2027 nigo ebitu ebyo birachikoba 900 birachikanyara kobi koigurwa aschinsemo au aiga Kenya.
Tuko na police stations ambazo hazijajengwa. Police stations zingine ziko mbali, hata chief akiwa na shughuli kujaribu kusafirisha watu kutoka hapa kwenda pale inakuwa mbali. So tumekubaliana ya kwamba tutajenga police stations in the next 2 years 900 police stations. Kupitia kwa program yetu ya housing tutajenga 300. Nitaketi chini na wabunge na watu wabunge wako hapa. Yes, bwana chairman, kutoka NGCDF tujenge police stations. Sheria inakubali mtusaidie kujenga police stations 300, na pia national government kupitia kwa interior tutajenga police stations 300. ya kusaidia hiyo kazi. Na vile vile tuko na units ili increase efficiency. Kuna police, kuna sub counties ambazo zilitangazwa, kuna zingine mumeomba, kuna locations mumeomba, kuna divisions mumeomba, kuna sub locations ambazo wananchi wameuliza. Tumekubaliana ya kwamba in the next 1 year tuta operationalize 24 sub counties, tuta operationalize 88 divisions, tuta operationalize 318 locations na 675 sub locations. Ndio tuhakikisha kwamba utendakazi wa serikali, huduma ya serikali kwa wananchi inapelekwa chini mahali karibu.
Manchomo ligireli boigo kurwa sensemende abarai kurwa sekia makelia kia ODM bakurawa no murai uyo nyarako bakabochorwa sekia mekio Soburu Odinga nigo bayoborire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yeko nyarako bakurawa no murai bwense Dr. William Ruto kwenda kiabuna egati echira echo banyarako bakobeka insero botiro rwa nadiko chingaki omo Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga oyore nyagosira arenge moyo serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nyarako bagekwana kibunango ikiraniere egati echirecho yanyarako bagekobeka nyuma yo mwaka 2027 na chingaki chobochoryo bonene botaraika ange chingaki echobo igoni gabara yabo kurwase kiamekyo kia ODM banyarako bakobaregania abarai abaya abanyarako bagochorwa chingaki chobochori oboke ubanyarako bogo korekana iga sense ya Kenya so mwaka uyo iga chitariki 2027 abo bagochorwa weterase kiamekyo kemenyekene buna ODM gati abo omurai kurwase ensemeria ya Ugunja uyomenyekene buna Moses Somondi nabo igo Hari Kombe kurwase bungeria ya Magarini nabo igo Boyd Were kurwase bungeria ya Kasipul.
Na nataka kuwashukuru wananchi wa Kasipul kwa kuniamini. They believed in me and they voted me in. They believed in a youthful leader. Walitambua kuwa sahihi wakati wa Gen Z. Lazima niwashukuru wananchi wa Kasipul. I want to assure the people of Kasipul that I'm bringing new ideas, I'm bringing good leadership.
I want to promise here and today that as Moses Omondi, I will live by the party's ideologies up to the end. And I'll forever be very keen and seek guidance from my leadership, the party leadership.
Going forward, we are there for the party, and I will stand for the party in Magarini and Kilifi County as a whole.
I want you, members of ODM, to be proud. You should be proud, but we should work hard, because if we don't work hard and make our party strong, we are going to be taken for granted.
Abaga kurwa sensemende chiskuru choboroso elia ya Kachororoni nere ya Gandini kurwa se county area ya Kilifi nigo litkulia lero chanyarako bachigotalera enka yayo murai bwense Dr. William Ruto yigotoka sensemere ya Eldoret ensemo ya Surugoi chingaki banyarako bagoika senka yo murai bwense nigo banyarako bakwaleganiwa no murugio ye murai bwense yomenyekende buna Rachel Ruto asanyarako bakakubatalia asega tie megondo yaye unenchira yemo yo kwenda kibuna aboro kigwa bongo esome bare anena mono kurwa sensemeria yendemero chingaki bagendete kunyarako bagwetera egatie binto nabago piri bagosomiwa ase chiskuru chingaki echore choruto niganyarako bagakubabori aboro kigwa bwo kwenda kibuna kubeka baromokia asamasomabo nabo gotumeka ujusi eri babwate bunenchira yemo yo kwegendereria amo nambagimabo agochibusyo
finding missions, exchange programs, kutembea kuona mengi, kuona vile Wakenya wengi wanaishi. Ndio usikae tu uko village ukifikiria kwamba kila mtu anaongea lugha yako. Tembea usikie watu wengine pia wanaongea lugha ingine, kwa sababu hii ndio Kenya ambayo tunataka. Kenya ambayo tunapendana. Kenya ambaye kuna amani. Kenya ambaye tunasema kwamba sisi sote ni ndugu na kina dada. It doesn't matter my language. There is also another Kenyan somewhere who speaks a different language that is my brother and my sister. And that is the kind of Kenya that our president is talking about. A Kenya that we love one another. A Kenya that we look at the person next to you even as more important than you. A Kenya that we will not want to hurt the person next to us, my sister and my brother. And that is why when we traverse this nation, going to different communities, looking at different cultures and adapting into those cultures, and then we become one nation. Sijui ni chakula gani mnakula kule nyumbani kule Kilifi, lakini jaribu pia, maana uko hapa Eldoret, taste the food of the people of Eldoret. When you get to Nakuru, taste the food of the people of Nakuru. When you get to Nairobi, taste the food of the people of Nairobi. That is the Kenya that we want.
Na wekera bo mwancho mo ligeri nonko ya kero mo Somalia magana maya senchira yubo ikrano una na berengo ko yaretara senchira ngabune iyo ha sasa mo ya kabere ya studio yo nyara kobaga kwenda kyambo legi na bwego chibicha byago ikira senchira ebwenere teni gakorokwa Ishmael Omoyo na nchina ko yaretara korokwa Robin siange twara obo tegereli boro bya na bwego boligeri boro boronge asemero bili na bwego chi program chinde chiragendera gocha sorry